Welcome to my channel. I am Lexi and today we are doing a BoxyCharm unboxing. Normally I do a try on, but I was just filming another video and there's not a lot of makeup in this box this month, honestly. Also, it's kind of late. My box was missing for a few days and then it just appeared. I'm not mad about it, at least I got it, right? For those of you who don't know, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription. Base box, which is what I get, is $25 a month plus tax, and you get 5 full-size items, and the box value is supposed to be at least $125. So you're getting well worth your money. I freaking love BoxyCharm most of the time. You know, I get a lot of products that I wouldn't have normally tried, or, you know, products that maybe are out of my personal price range as far as skincare goes, and I get it in this box. That always really excites me. Speaking of, our very first product today is this 111 Skin, and it is called Pollution Defense Booster. So it's a serum that I guess you're supposed to put on your face in the morning with your moisturizer, and this little beauty right here is valued at $135. That's already $10 over what the box is supposed to be valued at. So it's things like that that I really love, because I would have never spent $135 on a serum, but I love the fact that I get to try more luxury items like that. Next we have the Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow, and this is valued at $25, and it's this really pretty like champagne color. Like, I could definitely see myself getting some use out of that. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just put that on top of what I've already got going on. Definitely added sparkle to what I already had, and I love that. More sparkle is always better. Yes, hashtag glitter addict. We have the Ace Beauté Bronzed in Paradise palette. Now, I have a ton of bronzers right now. I really don't see me using this. I don't really need 4 shades of bronzer, especially when, you know, I'm like only can use this one. I don't see me getting a whole lot of use out of that. So, but this is valued at $30 for this palette. And I could probably find somebody who will get use out of that. Next up is the Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle and Energizing Eye Mask. There's 12 pairs in here, and it says it retails for $21, so I'm pretty excited to use those. A mommy can always use eye patches. And last but not least, there is this quick color switch dry brush cleaner, which is $17, and I've used it and I like it. You know, obviously you still have to wash your brushes, but when you want to switch colors up and use the same brush, this is a huge help. And it's essentially just like a dry sponge in a tin can. You just swirl your brush around on it and then wash it off and reuse it, which I never would have bought this because I always thought they were pretty gimmicky, but since I got it in my box, I went ahead and used it, and I actually really like it. I still don't think I'd pay $17 for it though. Maybe $5. You know, it's just a sponge in a tin can, you know. I don't know. So that is all for our July BoxyCharm box. And I really appreciate you tuning in. Let me know, did you get the same box or did you get a different box? Were you happy with your box this month? I know I am. I'll put the total down in the corner, but I know it was obviously well over the $125 promised value. So I have to say I'm pretty happy. I can't complain. Alright, well, I hope to see y'all in the next one. Bye!